right, boom, baby. So Frankenstein's kind of been sitting all week, mainly because of two things. One, we do want to drain the rear diff, which I did order that, supplies the gasket and the fluid, so we'll be doing that. But also, we got to change the starter. So, not super excited about this job because, well, starters aren't fun, just in general. And then we've got to take the header off just to access it. So it's not going to be a fun job. You know what I mean? So there's that. There's that. But that's what we're doing. So boom. Yep. And yeah. We did get some door seals. Huge thanks to Oli's Garage. He was helping me figure it out. The funny thing is, the door seals I got are actually not the full door seals like on the inside here. They go on the top of the door, so they're only part of it, really. So, all right, so boom, baby, let's get to work. All right, so here's why this is kind of a pain. So you can see the starter there, right? Well, it's literally wrapped up right around those headers. There's no way to get it out without taking this side off. So that's the joy with this project right there. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the battery from here to there. And yeah, we'll start with that. Really try and free up some space. I need to unhook it anyways. So put that there and just start working on it. Bam. See, I mean, we've got the header off. It helps, but it's still not even enough to get us home. I mean, it's not like I can pull it through this little area here. So as much as it pains me, I think we got to take this joint off right back there, and then hopefully we can kind of, if I remember right, we had to kind of swing it in. Of all the jobs to have to do, this is just not one of the fun ones. It's just a pain. So I think we're gonna have to crawl under, get to that joint right there, disconnect it, and hopefully that'll give us, maybe we can swing it up. The install, I mean, it's really just 3 bolts. It's just getting to it that's such a pain in the butt. All right, so we've disconnected. Keep getting dirt in my eyes. Disconnected the exhaust, and now the header's loose. It's right here. I don't know if you can see that. So let's see if we can work it from the top. Oh, there we go. See, there you can see the header right there, right here. All right, boom. Now it is getting dark, so this probably won't be done today. But what I would like to do is, if it's possible, at least get this one out. I'm hoping now that that's loose, I'll have enough room to work here, but we'll see. All right, so it's starting to get dark. So what we're gonna do is tomorrow, we're gonna take that out, put the new one in, and it's not gonna be fun. Yeah, boom. So it'll be seamless for you, but we'll come back tomorrow. All right, so we're back out the next morning. I've got this wrapped up pretty good. Not perfect, there is one little bald spot, but the rest is wrapped up. So I'm hoping we should be good there. And now there's nothing left but just dig in, which I'm really excited about. does not want to come out of there. I mean, it's unbolted. The act of physically getting it out of there is really proven to be a challenge. So I came up here to see if there's another angle or way that maybe I can get them out. All right, so in case you ever deal with this situation and you want a good way to do it, I figured it out. At least for the coming out part, once you've got them out of there, right? Like out of the whatever, set them in there and then come over here and just shake this up and down. And eventually gravity will work its magic and work them out. Of course, do that on the top, not the bottom. But we're officially halfway done. So now we gotta get the new one into its home. And just real excited about that, right? So there's that. Let's go. So we're like right there, but I've been battling this thing for quite a few hours. Maybe we'll come back out tomorrow. All right, we're back at it. Super excited. Longest starter install in the history of installs, but it's just because it's just been such a pain. So boom. All right, so hopefully this part goes easy. So just coming back out here, we just gotta get the last little bit. God willing, it won't be too bad. Well, I'm very happy to report that the starter is installed. So, we've got the tape on there as well, the heat shield tape. We might even go and get the sock as well and add that at a later point. That was definitely not fun. And the only thing left is just the collector at the bottom to go out. So we're gonna bolt that up, make sure and that ground bolt, you gotta connect that back up. But we're going to make sure everything's good there and we should be good to go. Boom. Lastly, we just need to move the battery, and there's a bolt, a ground bolt that goes from the engine to the frame or wherever that thing is. There's a thing under here I gotta tighten up too, but that's about it. All right, moment of truth. There we go. He's running. Thank you guys for watching. Please follow all of our friends. All right, boom, baby.